Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say Eid Mubarak to all of you. Eid Mubarak. So yeah, I'm not going to send my videos in Eid right now, since I'm gonna be a little busy helping my mom doing some things. Yeah. So I just want to say Eid Mubarak. So guys, I'm just a little bit sleepy. Yeah, Eid Mubarak everyone. So yep, but here is some decorations.
Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Assalam. Qobul koruk Allah Taala qurbaniro anjam. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Assalam. Qobul koruk Allah Taala